missing something? No.
No, you can erase that line. You are missing one thing. First erase those tabs that are underneath it, because that'll confuse it, because it, like the line down.
Down.
Like see, here I move the cursor down one.
Oh yeah.
So it'll notice that there's a tab underneath, there's a tab over, and it'll...
Could you see that, or you just knew it was there?
I noticed it was there because he didn't erase it.
Is there an undo button?
Yeah, Control Z is undo. Actually, the auto saving might cancel the undo. But just hit enter and everything should be fine. Just select your text, like, and move it down, and you'll see if there was tabs. Like here, I'll do a couple tabs, show you what I mean. See how it shows the tabs now?
Yeah.
If you do a selection,
And
but
need an end statement or whatever.
yeah, that's right. That was the one thing you're missing. You'll notice your project doesn't quite look exactly the way it should.
Yeah. I see that.
Because your shadow text says I1OS help, and your red on top text does not.
And cap.
Okay. Now let's change your black layer, which is where you'd want your videos and stuff to be playing.
Mm-hmm. So I'm in here
now. Yeah, that's your black layer. Instead of calling it right side, well, we'll just leave it called right side, but I'll show you how to, or actually no, we'll change the name from right side to browser.
Right.
And we'll see if it's a web browser.
I did. Like that?
Yep. So now if we right click on it, that's not gonna, let's see if we can give it an address. Give Google some credit. So by telling, I made a tag called browser, which really turns into another HTML tag called iframe.
Yeah.
But browser is easier to remember. And if you set its value, or its source, or its location, or even its text should even work, even though it doesn't really make that much sense. You can go like that. Whoops. Guess not. Anyways, so now we have a browser, title, and a section for our buttons, for our menus.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to have to actually learn some
Good stuff.
commands to actually change this. So when you hit a button, it changes its location. But first thing we can do is add some buttons over here. Like add one button to this blue layer, and then I'll show you how to set up the code for when it changes that.
Right.
So do you know how to embed a new layer into that layer?
New layer into the layer. If I did like.
So look for the blue layer.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. So remove the end tag because we're going to have stuff inside of it.
That one.
Yep.
A couple more quotations or button.
Yeah. But to embed things, like these center tags are embedded in the top header.
Oh, so I got.
So we're going to put button tags embedded in the left layer.
So I got a like an enter or something.
Yeah, but after your
I gotta leave that up there.
yep.
So now it's button.
Yep.
Is that in these things too? Oops.
Oh, here actually Google's constantly setting the focus over here.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll just erase the address for now. So that is a frame, and we'll set the source later. but because every time Google refreshes, it moves our cursor there.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what we'll just go back.
Boom. CSS, no way.
Yep, that works.
Now I gotta make a placement in there, like coordinates.
Yep. And now when you say 100%,
It's inside the frame, eh?
it's inside this background black. Oops, sorry. It's inside this blue layer on the side.
Yeah.
So if you say 100%, it'll be 100% of whatever this is. So if you say 100%, it'll be 100% of 20%.
Yeah.
So if you want to say 100%,
maybe I want 10%.
the first thing is it's left. So how far from the left do you want it?
And then down, eh?
Yeah, then how far down or from the top you want?
We'll just see what this looks like and then we go from there.
Yeah.
Now what's the other one, the sizes?
Yeah, the next two are the width and the height.
And those are pixels, eh?
You can do it in percentage or pixels.
Percentage. Do I need a closing tag here?
Yeah, since you have nothing underneath it right now, you'll have to close it. There's one thing you're missing, and that's the less than symbol. The markup link, since it's a button HTML tag.
Right here.
No.
Right there?
No. Look at all the other HTML tags. At the beginning of the name, like look at the word browser. At the top.
Yeah.
It has the less than symbol on the left side of the name of it.
Is that where you're going from?
Yep. That should work right now. Oh, the problem is, I think this part, you're not allowed spaces at the end. There you go. So be careful of the end of the line stuff. So now you got a button here. Just like before, if you go text equals whatever, you'll say whatever. I'll give a recommendation. Since you got it 10% over, you probably want 10% on this side. So your width should be 80%. So that it's 10, 80, and then 10.
Right.
That's your top. How far from the top?
Right.
Now, yeah, now it's right at the top. Yeah, that's your width. Great thing about the button tag is you don't have to set the background to see it. Like it already has a gray background.
Let's go. There.
Klaus besuchte mal eine Domina und wollte, dass sie ihn fertig macht. Das Problem war nur, Klaus war erst 8. Sein Bruder hatte mal eine heftige Geschlechtskrankheit an seinem Schlauch. Das Problem war nur, Klaus hatte sie auch. Ja, Klaus, du bist der Auserwählte, angekackt und nur gequälte. Denk doch positiv und sei nicht dumm. Klaus bringt dich um. Ein Geldeintreiber hielt ihm ein Messer an den Hals, weil Klaus seine Schulden nicht beglich. Das Problem war nur, Klaus blieb stur. Ja, Klaus, du bist der Auserwählte, angekackt und nur gequälte. Denk doch positiv und sei nicht dumm. Klaus bringt dich um. In seiner Straße brannte es mal lichterloh. Alle schauten auf das brennende Haus. Das Problem war nur, Klaus schaute raus. Ja, Klaus, du warst der Auserwählte, angekackt und nur gequälte. Gab's dir einen Rock und warst nicht dumm. Klaus fiel